It's Stuart Carter from Howard's Peugeot in Dorchester, just about to show you a short video on this 2017 on a 17 plate Peugeot 308 1.6 Blue HDI E86 GT line station wagon. The car has done currently 8,023 miles and has the remainder of the 3 years manufacturer's warranty on it. Hope you enjoy the video. If you enjoyed the video, we're on London Road in Dorchester if you'd like to pop down and have a look at the car, or give myself or one of my colleagues a call on 01305 266 066.